Hello students, welcome to you in my YouTube channel Learn Math with Arshad. So we are going to revise for midterm examination. So today morning already I sent first worksheet for midterm from chapter 1. So inshallah evening I will do revision of this one. I will give you solution. So first you try to solve questions from yourself, and then if there is some problem in any solution, then you can get solution through video, and then still if you have problem, then you can ask from me. So question number 1 is simplify square root 81 fourth root 81 minus cube root 216 plus 15 into fifth root of 32 plus square root 225. These are radicals. As you know, हम रेडिकल्स को अगर सिंप्लीफाई करना चाहते हैं तो रेडिकैन, ये रेडिकैन है 32 225 216 81, दीज आर कॉल्ड रेडिकैन. जो यहाँ लिखा होता है नंबर 5 3 4, here is nothing, it is 2. This is called index number or order of radical. So I will start from here. 81, it is divisible by 3, then again divisible by 3, then again divisible by 3, then again divisible by 3. So here fourth root of 3 power 4, and here cube root 216. So 216 we have to get prime factorization. So these divisors must be a prime number. If a number is ending with even number, will be divisible by 2. So divide by 2. 2 ones are 0 to 8, 254, 227. Now divisible by 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So it is, the next number is this one. It is 2 cube into 3 cube. See, 1 2 3, 2 cube, 1 2 3, 3 cube. And then if you factorize this 32, you will get 2 power 5, and 225 we know it, सारे बच्चों को पता है कि 225 ये 15 का स्क्वायर है, तो इसका स्क्वायर रूट 15 होगा. अब देखो बच्चों, this 4 will cancel this 3 will cancel them, this 5 will cancel them, this. So now it is only 3. It is 2 into 3 plus 15 into 2 plus 15. So 3 minus 6 plus 30 plus 15. 15 plus 30 is 45, and 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So final answer is 42. Now next question. Question number second one is rationalize the denominator of the given fraction. Denominator we have to rationalize. It means denominator is irrational number, and that is in radical form, not in decimal form. Irrational numbers may be in decimal form, may be in radical form. तो ये क्वेश्चन 2 है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है आपके मिड टर्म में. ऐसा क्वेश्चन 100% आएगा. एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा, स्क्वायर रूट 48 प्लस स्क्वायर रूट 18. See, in numerator, inside the radical, these are prime number. But in denominator, they are not prime number. So simplify them. Maybe you can simplify these radicals. So 48, square root of 48 can be written as 16 into 3. 16 3s are 48. And it is 2 power 4 into 3. Or you can directly, you can simplify, no need to write. We know square root of 16 is 4, so 4 root 3. Similarly, 18 can be written as 9 into 2. Square root of 9 is 3, so it is 3 root 2. तो सबसे पहला काम ये करो कि अगर रेडिकल स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर प्राइम नंबर नहीं है तो ऐसे सिंप्लीफाई कर लेना, फिर आप रेशनलाइज करना. 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Then you have to write the rationalizing factor of denominator. So we will write rationalizing factor of 4 root 3 minus plus 3 root 2 equals 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. This is the rationalizing factor of denominator because there are two terms. So if there is plus, rationalizing factor will contain minus. If it is minus, then it is plus. That you know it. Then you multiply the given number by this rationalizing factor, numerator as well as denominator. So numerator is multiplied by this rationalizing factor as well as denominator is also multiplying by rationalizing factor. So denominator will become in the form of one algebraic identity, a plus b, a minus b, and you know it, that is a square minus b square, this, and this you multiply this, 4 4s are 16, square root 3 into square root 3. See, square root 3 into square root 3 is square root 9 and this is 3. So this is 16 into 3. Now you multiply these two. Plus into minus is minus. 4 into 3 is 12. Square root 3 into square root 2, that is square root 6. And then we will multiply by this. 5 4s are 20 plus 20 because it is plus and it is plus. Square root 2 into square root this is square root 6. Plus into minus is minus. 5 3s are 15. Square root 2 into square root 2 is square root 4 and that's why 2. Then again we will simplify like terms. 48. These two terms are like term. 20 minus 12 is 8 minus 30. 4 square is 16 into 3 because square root 3 whole square is equal to square root 3 into square root 3, that is square root 9, and square root 9 will be 3. 3 square is 9. Square root 2 whole square means square root 2 into square root 2, that is square root 4, and that is equal to 2. So I will simplify here. I will continue there because one line I can write, one more line. 48 minus 30 is 18 plus 8 root 6, and 48 minus 18, and then it is equal to 18 plus 8 square root 6 by 48 minus this, 8 minus is 0, 4 minus 1 3, 30. If you leave your answer till here, it's okay, you will get full marks, but it is not the last answer, final answer, because we can simplify numerator and denominator. 2 is common. 2 9s are, 2 4s are square root 6 by 30. 2 1s are, 15s are. So 9 plus 4 root 6 by 15 is the final answer. So this is a question, is very important question, and this type of question will come in midterm examination. Now next question. Next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3, simplify the given exponents. These are exponents. 25 by 9 whole to the power minus 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 whole to power minus 3. We have to simplify this. So what you do when you want to simplify exponential problem? So first you see the exponents that must be positive. If they are not positive, then make it positive by writing the reciprocal of the base. This is negative, this is negative, this is negative. This is base. So reciprocal of 81 by 16 is 16 by 81. And when you will write this reciprocal, power will become positive. The second one, here same thing, 9 by 25 whole to the power 3 by 2. Same as it is, 2 by 5 power 3, positive. Now see, we have to simplify by using factorization. So 16, if you factorize, you will get 2 power 4. This also 3 power 4. whole power 3 by 4, and here 3 square by 5 square whole to the power 3 by 2. Here is division. We can convert division in multiplication by writing the reciprocal of the next number, reciprocal of a number just after the division sign. So it will be 5 by 2 whole cube. Now this can be written as 2 power 4 whole power 3 by 4, 3 power 4 whole power 3 by 4, same thing, 2 square whole power 3 by 2, 5 square whole power 3 by 2, and this can be written as 5 cube and 2 cube. And then this 4 is cancelled by this, 4 is cancelled by this, 2 is cancelled by this 2 is cancelled by this. So it is nothing, it is 2 cube by 3 cube, all are multiplication. This is also multiplication. So you can open this square bracket. 3 cube, 5 cube, here 5 cube, 2 cube, 5 cube, 5 cube, cancel, 2 cube, 2 cube, cancel, 3 cube is cancelled by 3 cube, answer is 1. Now the last question of this assignment. So see, these are very simple. If you just revision, no, continuously you have to do revision. अगर मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ना है तो रिवीजन कंपलसरी है. क्लास में जो पढ़ाया जाए, इन इवनिंग यू हैव टू रिवाइज. Now the last question, very important question that will come in midterm examination as well as in final examination. तो अगला क्वेश्चन है, express the given number in the form of p by q. It is non-terminating, non-repeating. It is non-terminating repeating decimal. So x equal to 0.357 bar. So first we will see, first we will write it without bar. So x equal to 0.35777 and so on, equation 1. Then rule is, if one digit is there under the bar sign, multiply equation 1 by 10. Under the bar sign, if there are two digits, multiply by 100. बार साइन के नीचे 3 डिजिट है, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1000 एंड कंटिन्यू लाइक दिस. तो यहां पे एक ही है, तो मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1 by 10. So if you multiply it, so it is 10x. 10 into 3.5777 and so on. So when you will multiply this by 10, this decimal will move to the right side. Multiplication decimal is moving in right side. Division decimal is moving in left side. So here 1 0, so 1 place. So 10x equal to 35.777. Now you see your first equation. After the decimal, how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We wrote 5 digits. There are infinitely many digits, but we wrote only 5 digits. So in equation 2, you have to write 5 digits after the decimal, because we can write infinitely. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is equation second. Now the last step, subtract equation 1 from 2. So second minus what? First. Write it. And this is equation 1, second, and x equal to, write decimal under decimal 0. It is 35777. Now subtract it. 9x equal to 35.42. 7 minus 5 2, 7 minus 3 4, 5. This 0, the 0 is useless, no here. So 9x equal to 35.42. So x equal to 35.42 by 9. We have to write it in the form of p by q. So after decimal there are two digits, so multiply numerator and denominator by 100 to remove this decimal. 3542 and here 900. You simplify it, it is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 1, 2 5s are 10, 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 1, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2. 5 4 9. and this 8, 7, 15, 116. I think this is the answer. So 450 is the answer. So I explained this worksheet and I hope you will get help from this worksheet. If really it is good, so you write your comment. So if something is wrong or whatever it is, so please you give me a message so I can improve myself.